How many of you, when you get up in the morning, you remember to pray, to give thanks to God? How many of you, when you get up in the morning, before you stand up your feet out of your bed and seeking the presence of God, asking for His divine protection and leading His way? How many of you remember when you get up in the morning to bow your head before the Holy God and say thank you for a brand new everyday? How many of you will remember when you get up in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening? Because some of you, or some of us, we have a different work timing to say thank you, God, that I am still breathing. Thank you, God, that you always shown your mercy, love, and grace. How many of you say thank you, God, for take good care of me and providing all my needs? We should not forget to spend time with God when you get up in the morning before anything else. We should, because God is so so good to you, to me, to all of us. And He knows what will happen next. We don't know what will happen next. Only God knows. So always ask God protection. Always ask God's leading your way, because our life is like, it's like, how should I say? It's like a flower that it will bloom and suddenly it will fall down. Life is too short